Okay, this tutorial is to show how to enable Google Translation API key, and we log into console.developers.google.com and make sure that you're logged in with the email address that is connected to the payment plan that you have set up, and you're going to come and click on My Project and select a project or Add New Project and enable APIs and services. And we're going to look for translation and click on Cloud Translation and enable. Have to enable billing. As far as I can tell, this is enabled. Activation status enabled. Okay, and we will go to credentials, create credentials. We need the API key, and here is our API key, and here is the date it's created. Then we go back to Ranking Factory Software, go to API. I'm going to replace what I have here, and I'll save this. And then let's go to Toolbox, DocStacker. Let's just grab an article. I'm just doing this to test it. Okay, and I'll get a link. This is going to be my test target URL. Enable translation stack. Okay, so I have my name, I have target URL, here's the keywords, buffer doc, target URL, keyword doc, article stacker. Let's do open in browser, and let's test and see what happens with translation stack. So here's the English. Oh, it would help if I selected some languages. Articles translation. So let's do French and Spanish. Okay. Now let's go back and run translation stack. Here's the English. Okay, here's the French, and I believe this is the Spanish. Okay, so that wraps up this tutorial.